much share this journey with you of some of the things that perhaps other entrepreneurs or fashion designers don't tell you about their journey, with all the ups and downs, all the hard work, the exhaustion, the adrenal fatigue, the going off track, losing yourself, and then finding yourself again, but still staying focused. Of 36 years experience from when I began at the age of 19 to kind of where I've ended up right now. If this is the kind of content that absolutely just gets you going because you are an entrepreneur or you're thinking about becoming one and you're just hungry for knowledge and information and guidance from mentors, then this is definitely the place to be. Then how about sharing that love with me, and press the like button, press the subscribe button, and of course, please leave me some comments so that I can come back to you and engage with you. Your journey kind of starts from one thing and then it grows into something totally unexpected because you are growing all the time, and eventually you kind of find yourself, and you got all this experience and skills and knowledge. It's very important to be flexible because things are going to shift and change all the time. But through life experiences, when I got divorced, I basically had lost my entire business. I married someone who was totally isolating me and keeping me away from family and friends. It was not a healthy marriage whatsoever. And regardless, I lost everything, and I had to go and look for a job in a corporate company. It was an office job, and I did it. I had to pick up the pieces again and find myself again and just realign myself. And I just knew that I'm just going to be positive about it. Anyway, so got this job, do this thing, but I knew inside of me that it was chipping away at me every single day for months until I decided, okay, I'm ready to be back, to go back into my business again. And I took all that experience that I had when I was running my business and just brought it back with me again, even appreciating it more because I had lost it, and now I'm starting it all over again. Life happens in between. I had this huge big boutique, my bridal boutique, and I was importing gowns as well as I was designing exclusively for my clients. I added on a beauty salon, a day spa, all into my business as well. And I found that I became a little bit sidetracked, putting my energy in other things. And of course, something is going to be neglected. So my bridal business took a dip because I was focusing on other stuff. And this is a typical mistake that entrepreneurs do. We kind of do too many things, or we have all these ideas and we get carried away with excitement instead of taking what you've got and asking yourself, how can I add something different? How can I take what I've got and maybe create a new product or service around it? Or maybe focus more in one thing and create this niche and become an absolute expert in it. Maybe I just need to find myself again, and find that passion and that purpose that I had when I started it. I was opening up all these new businesses and I thought, wow, I'm growing, how amazing I am. But I burnt out. I lost the passion for life. I got depressed, the creative energy of who I am. I had adrenal fatigue. I was burnt out. There was times I thought that my heart was going to stop because it was just too much. There were many, many times when I actually would work right through and see the sun come up. My health took a serious dip. I developed such bad colon problems, inflammation in my gut. I was in so much pain. My immune system took a dip. I developed all these allergies, autoimmune disease. It was so hard for me. And if I could go back, I would not rush into doing so many different things that were not connected with my designing. Because now I had the coffee shops, beautiful art gallery, the coffee shop, and then I had the day spa, which was also beauty as well. Then I had the slimming clinic because I studied nutrition. I'm very into being healthy, and my beauty therapist basically spurred me into adding in a wellness section with nutrition and diets and losing weight. I was so excited about it. And then I opened up the hair salon, and so much fun doing it. But guess what? I went completely off the track. I'm also a mother of 3 children. So I had to be a mother, and also went through the teenage times with the children who were driving me crazy. I'm sure I drove them crazy as well. I got disconnected with who I really was. And this happens. and sometimes we need to stop and look. Sometimes life happens and it hits your reality curve, and then you have to wake up and smell the roses, literally. Eventually, I sold all the businesses and to have more time for my husband as well as my children, as well as for myself. What a shift from what I started. I've now created an online business, my own pattern collection, as well as creating affiliate programs that other designers and seamstresses and people that are in the sewing industry partner with me. And if you really started your business and you find that you're still all over the place, and you find that you're still doing too many things and you need to get more clarity, I have a wonderful course that I have specially compiled with all my years of experience for fashion designers, fashionistas, and advanced experienced seamstresses that are taking this into a business to help you to be more focused, create the career you want as an entrepreneur, that are taking this idea of their sewing, their skills, their knowledge, their passion for sewing to a step further and turning it into a business. My amazing masterclass course, which is to help you to get absolute confidence, clarity, the courage, which direction to go, what product or service to offer, and to get your mindset with absolute confidence and the courage to take that step of clarity and direction to start your own career as an entrepreneur. Well, I hope you resonate with this, because it's not just about being an entrepreneur. Don't forget about yourself in the process, as well as offering those beautiful services that you've got.